Hi y'all, it's Brenda with Creations by Babydoll. I hope everyone is doing wonderful today. I am using a 10 by 10 cradle board that I spray painted black, took my paintbrush and did the white on the end and splattered it all over to be my stars. I'm going to be doing a Resin Galaxy pour, and I am using the Stone Coat Art Resin, and I have about 40 to 45 time period where I can still be able to use it. So it's got a good time period where you're able to mess with it and everything. So I'm going to rub it in here, get it to the edges. I do want to coat my edges on this one because I spray painted the edges, so they need to be protected. And might as well do it now. Now, I am not going to let this resin dry until after I've added my colors to it. A little bit more. And then I'll let it cure with the colors, because if you put a coat on, I guess you could, but I put it in and mixed my colors in it. I've not had any problem with the it becoming gummy or sticky, not being cured. I've had really good results with the way I mix my paint, the mica. I will show the colors at the end of the video that I'm using. Since my hands are covered in resin, I really don't want to be messing with the bags. Let's see, put some up here. That way I can drop it down to the edges. Alrighty, I have a nice coating. Let me wipe my hands off. Forget my paper towel to get the alcohol on it. Yeah, I need a new pair. Hold on one second. There we go. Alrighty, now it's ready for the color. I'm going to start with the white, which is my Artist Flow white, because I've not got any white pigment in yet. It should be here tomorrow, hopefully. So I'm going to do some there in that little... some more here. It's sort of like a guessing game. I am still learning how laying the resin with the different colors, how it will come to a different effect. So this is sort of my trial runs. Let's see, I'm going to add my purple. I'm I'm just going to do that one right on top of it and then over to the edge. And do this one right here. I like that little swirl up there. I'm going to do one over here by itself. See what happens when I move the heat gun across it. See if it merges into the white. Let's do a hint right there. Let's go in with the blue. Now I'm going to go straight down this purple here. Then I'm going to curve over to this side. And go down the middle of this one. Then I'm just going to do a blue one here. Let's see how the blue reacts off to the side on this one. We'll just do a little blue out here. And then we got the Shiraz. And these colors are so metallic and beautiful when they are dry. You really can't see how shimmery it is really whenever I try to show you, because when it dries, it's just gorgeous. Put some down here. All right. So I'm going to grab my heat gun and let's see what we can get out of this. Oops, I got that a little bit too hot. So, lesson on this one, do not let it get too hot. I wonder what using my air gun would do right here. I love how that speckled out like that. I'm not sure exactly what to call it. Let me get my glove off real quick. I want to grab my heat gun and my air gun. And see what I can do right here. Oh, wow. So cool. I like how you can use the air gun on it also. So you can merge two of my favorite things now, my air gun and my resin pour. Oh wow, that is so beautiful. I love that. I want to add more white up here. Whoop, gloves. You need to wear gloves when you're working with resin. You do not want it to come in contact with your skin. So I'm going to drop some white up here. Oh, I dropped my blue. Whoops. Let's see. All right, once again with the heat gun. Oh, I'm loving that purple and the blue. Oh, that is gorgeous. I love how, oh yeah, I like how that is. I like how I added that. And the purple off to the side. Oh, that is beautiful. There we go. Just wiping my edges, making sure I don't have any resin dripping off because I really don't want any of this coming off because of that. Okay, taking a look for any dust. All right. That is, oh, I'm loving that. That is gorgeous. Alrighty, so I'm going to let this cure, and I'm going to come back when it's dry to show y'all a preview. That'll be a couple days from now, but for y'all, it'll be 1 second. Wow, I am really loving resin art. I'm loving this galaxy, the purple and blue and the white. I love how that turned out, and how I put the white and the blue and the purple on top of it. Let's see if I can give you a close-up. There we go. Oh, it's so pretty. And I just love that section right here. Oh, this is so much fun. I cannot wait to try out different ideas I have going through my head right now with resin. Oh, well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me today. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I put up my next video. Well, I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.